In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign leads in Zoho CRM. Whether you're a seasoned CRM user or just getting started, assigning leads effectively can make a big difference in how your team manages prospects and clients. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Zoho CRM by opening your web browser and logging into your Zoho account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of Zoho CRM. Here, you can access all the tools and features you need to manage your customer relationships effectively. If you're not already familiar with navigating Zoho, take a moment to explore the main dashboard. It's designed to give you a comprehensive view of your settings and tasks. Now, on the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll notice a sidebar with various tabs. You'll want to click on the Leads tab. This area is dedicated to all your current leads, providing a detailed overview of who you're working with and what stage they're in. This setup makes it easy to organize and keep track of potential clients or customers. Next, it's time to choose a specific lead that you want to assign to a team member. Browsing through the list, select a lead by clicking on it. This will bring up their detailed profile where you can see all the relevant information and interactions associated with them. Knowing your lead and understanding their needs is crucial for assigning them to the team member best suited to handle their account. Once you're in the lead's profile, look for the Lead Owner section. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu or options list, allowing you to select a new owner from your team. Here, you can choose the person who you think is best equipped to follow up and engage with this lead. It's helpful to consider factors like expertise, relationship history, and workload when making your selection. After choosing a new lead owner, make sure to check the box that says Send Email Notification. What this does is automatically send an email to the new lead owner, notifying them of the assignment. This ensures that everyone stays informed and no leads fall through the cracks, keeping the workflow smooth and efficient. Finally, with your selection made and the notification ready to send, click on Change Owner. This will finalize the assignment, updating your records and ensuring that your lead is now in the hands of the right team member. And there you have it, a straightforward process that can greatly enhance the management of your leads in Zoho CRM. By following these steps, you can ensure that each lead is given the attention they need, maximizing your team's efficiency and boosting your sales potential. Thanks for watching and happy CRM managing.